Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Binging. I'm Desiree and I'm here with my friend Betty, and we're in Wynwood and we're gonna go walking around to see what some of the local restaurants have to offer for vegan desserts and let you know if they're worth binging on or not.
Thank you, Desiree, for inviting me.
You're welcome. Wynwood is not only known for its walls filled with street art, but for food spots that are either completely plant-based or offer plant-based options. Nabati is an ice cream shop that is 100% plant-based and plastic-free. They carry 18 flavors of ice cream that they make on site. They use real ingredients like cashews and coconuts to make creamy ice cream and have a variety of fruit flavor ice creams as well. They had a special where you could get 3 mini scoops of ice cream for the price of 1 scoop. The ice cream flavors I tried were the pitaya, vanilla cookie dough, and vanilla. The pitaya had more of an icy texture similar to a sorbet, but it was good nonetheless. The pitaya one is really good. The vanilla and vanilla cookie dough flavors were creamier and more like ice cream. Vanilla is really good. It's like really creamy. You can taste it. You can taste the real vanilla. The cookie dough ice cream did not have real cookie dough in it, but crushed vegan cookies as the cookie dough, since that doesn't have eggs in it. I really enjoyed all 3 flavors, but if I had to choose one to get a full scoop of, then I would choose the vanilla one. We found this little bakery that had a variety of frozen fruit pops that were made with real fruit. Some pops were made with regular or non-dairy milk, but I chose to go with the one made with only fruit. I got a watermelon flavored pop, and you got the passion fruit, CBD. I mean, it tastes like, mine at least tastes like watermelon. Passion fruit. It's like, yeah, it's a light flavor, but it still tastes like what it's supposed to be. Next is Taiyaki NYC, which is famous for their ice cream and fish-shaped cones, but the cones are not vegan. So this is a vegan pineapple ice cream. It's really good. It tastes just like pineapple, and I got the unicorn sprinkles on top. Even though it tasted good, there wasn't anything special about this ice cream. It was just regular old non-dairy ice cream with a pineapple flavor. But it's so hot, so it's melting really, really quickly. So I have to inhale it. Our last stop was to Salty Donut, which is a local donut shop that creates some fancy looking donuts. They offer a variety of donut flavors that they change every season and offer a vegan option that changes with the season also. We got our donuts from Salty Donuts. This is the strawberry lemonade donut, which is actually their vegan donut at the moment. So let's try it.
Looks good.
It looks really
Cheers,
good.
Desiree.
Cheers.
Donut. Oh, strawberry.
And you definitely taste the strawberry. It's like more.
Look, it's even pink. Pink.
It's pink inside.
How cute. My favorite color.
And I like the little lemon slice on top to decorate it.
Yep. The frosting's really good. Strawberry.
Yeah, it's really good. And the donut is more of a donut. It's not like a cake type.
So there's no filling inside this time, which is good.
Right.
It's more like a donut this time.
Exactly. I thought there would be like some type of filling in it, but nope. It's just
less of a mess.
Exactly.
It's really good.
And it has some like granulated sugar on top as well. Like if it needed more sugar. So Betty, what was your favorite dessert out of everything?
Mine was the salty donuts. You could taste the strawberry, the lemonade. It's just perfect for this weather. What was yours?
I would have to say the salty donut as well. I mean, it's the only thing that doesn't melt in this heat that we're experiencing in Miami. So if you like watching us eat a bunch of vegan desserts, please click on that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more episodes of Binging. And remember to click the bell to get notified of when new episodes are up. So if you're ever in Miami, Wynwood has a bunch of vegan dessert options that you can indulge on. And if you want to see another episode of Binging, go ahead and click on the video right here. And also hit that subscribe button. There's going to be another episode of Binging coming next week, and you don't want to miss out. And I'll see you in the next video.